Hey guys, Craig here with a little instructional video on how to do a gait analysis using some of the implements we've got here. What you're going to need is some chalk, this little thing here called a goniometer. You'll need a meter ruler, a tape and some water. What we're going to be doing is using this stuff to determine our client's stride length, step length, walking speed, their velocity and their foot alignment. Okay, so if you were to look at your lab booklet, you'll see that you have a sheet just like this, and on this sheet here is where you're going to record your data. I've got Ben here who's going to help me through this process. So what we're going to do to start, guys, is chuck some water on the ground in the area where the footprints will show up. You get your client to stand in it, and he's just going to take a stroll off on a straight line here. So off he goes.
Oh God. Oh God.
So the video will be able to show you here that he's left some footprints. Okay, I'm going to discard the first sort of 3 or 4 footprints because he probably wasn't into walking stride yet. And what I'm going to do is make the following marks. So look here, I'm going to mark squarely across the heel. I'm also going to mark in the direction that he's travelling, and I've got these handy lines that are telling me the direction he was travelling. And I'm also going to mark the second toe. Marking there, so the one next to the big toe. And if I go to the next one, I'm going to do 4 of these. Square, direction of travel, second toe. And 2 more, direction of travel and second toe. And last one over here. So we need 4 steps for our analysis. And if the sun now makes those things disappear, we've got everything we need. So, Ben's going to help me to show you what we do with these things now. So the first thing we're interested in is his step length. Okay, so I can do this on a line for a start. I'm just going to rule a straight line from the first heel across like this, and I'm going to measure the distance between that heel strike and the other heel strike here, which is 52 centimeters. I'm going to take that information and write it down in my lab booklet as step length 52 centimeters, and that is from the right step to left, so right to left. I then need to do left to right. Again, straight line across. Measure that out, and that one is 50 centimeters, so 1 centimeter shorter when he's stepping from left to right on that one. Next comes stride length. A stride is from left foot to left foot and right foot to right foot. So for this, you need a bigger tape. You bend the whole one into that. So for this one here, we're looking at right foot to right foot. He's going to go off that line there. Just flip it over again. Right foot to right foot comes in at 1 meter and 4 centimeters, and then we're going to go left foot to left foot. So if you just go off that one there, and left foot to left foot is 1 meter and 8 centimeters, so slightly longer from left to left, and we record that data in our booklet. The last thing we can get off this information here is the angle. So if you come in nice and close and have a look at this, I'm going to draw a straight line off the heel marking that was showing the direction of travel. There's my straight line, and then I've got a marker on the second toe here, which I'm going to draw a line to, and we'll end up with an angle, and this is the angle of flare or foot eversion. What I'm going to need is my protractor device here. So this device here measures angles. Place it at the base. I'm going to run one line squarely up one of the directional lines and the other up towards the second toe. So the middle lines of these are going up 2 different lines here. Quite hard to see on there. And then at the far end of my goniometer, I'm going to get an angle reading. So if I turn that over and look at my angle reading here, you can see it's halfway between the 0 and the 10, probably around 4 to 5 degrees of foot eversion. Okay. Now obviously if the angle is toeing in rather than out, it's going to be inversion versus eversion. We want a measurement off the left foot and the right foot. Alright, so next step is for you guys to do this. You'll get out and practice in your pairs. Good luck.